Here you can see the fit up of one of the window frames. This is a casement window, just to give you an idea of how that fits into the timber frame building. Here's the window frame on each side of the timber frame, and right now I've just assembled it dry, and I'll take it apart so that you can see how that fits together and the joinery involved. Let me get a mallet here. And this is the head jamb. This is redwood. It was just freshly cut a couple weeks ago. I've been waiting for it so I could get back into the construction of the timber frame. I just have the windows and the doors yet to do. So this is the head jamb, and you can see the sockets for the posts, and also the rabbet here where the sash, the window sash, will actually fit. Now, this is the outside facing you, the outside of the window, and the siding will be nailed into this rabbet that's around the window frame. So this will be actually flush. This surface on these posts will be flush with the siding. Also, you can the window sill actually extends beyond the face of the siding. The rain will flow down because of the angle in the window sill here. Now, the posts were somewhat tedious to build. The top is not that hard to do, just a little tongue here that fits into the head jamb. Most of this was done with the bandsaw, and also I used the radial arm for some of that. But the bottom here is a little more difficult. It has a little protrusion here that's angled to fit down into that window sill angle. So then there's the post as well. So this was a little bit, this involved some hand tool work as well to create that joinery. The center post is a little bit different because the siding doesn't come into this. It's only rabbeted for the sash, the window sash, the hinged window sash that will fit inside this rabbet. And it similarly has this protrusion, angled protrusion that fits down into the sash. So there was quite a bit of hand tool work in making that fit up. So this is just one of the window frames. So I've got another set ready to to fit up as well. And then this frame will be assembled and then fastened in between the girt and the top plate in the window frame.